What's up, fellow traders? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight, wherever you are on earth. It's your boy again, David, live from my FX studio. We're here this morning to do a little calculation, just like we do it, concerning Euro USD. So, look at the market, just like I forecasted a long time ago that this is how this market is going to go, and it's going to the direction. I said the market is an uptrending market. Last week on Friday, the market is trying to take a direction, and I said it that the market is either it bounce on at this very point, or it's bounce here. That should the market go down minimum, it will bounce on top of this candle, which it touched the very trend line. That I said it's going to bounce on top of this trend line, and it will reverse back up, which it did exactly as forecasted. So people, please, before we continue, please, I'll definitely appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click the notification button, show your boy some love. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it anyways. So just tell me what you think about the market. Tell me what you see in the market. Tell me what you believe is going to happen in this market. But from my own price action calculation, this is what I see. This is what I believe that is going to happen, and it's already happening. So this is what I see that is going to happen in the market, and it's already happening, which is a good thing. So the market is going up. I said it that it's going to shoot up high, which is shooting up high. So let's just go. Let's just see some little tricks. You understand, in the market. Let's just see some little thing, which is very good in this very market. So the market keep going. It's keep leading its crusade up. Keep leading its crusade up, which is a good thing. Please just let me know what you think about this market, and what makes me believe that this market is going to take this kind of direction. What makes me believe that Euro is going to dominate the market. For many reasons, Euro has been dominating the market. The dominance started on the 26th of May. Euro took charge of the market on the 26th of May. Euro took charge of the market, and it was a sweet bullish market. You get it? It was so sweet. Euro was able to take charge of the market and keep leading its crusade. It keep leading it up. It keep leading it up, which is a very good thing, just like I said earlier. So I don't know what you see in the market. I don't know what you believe that you see in the market that is different from what I see in this market. But please, whatever it is, please just let me know what you see. I really appreciate a polite comment, just like I said. So the US dollar was able to do some shows. I believe this is during the Corona period. This is during the pandemic that it was so strong. US dollar was able to dominate the market of Euro. European economy shut down. The exchange rate was not really existing in the capital market like that. I believe this was why USD was able to take charge of the market, and because exchange rate for US dollar is still continuing, but it's low. It was on a very, very low farm. So the US dollar was able to pick the market since on the 10th of March. It brought the market down to on the 19th of March. You get it? Euro was able to pick the pace on the 20th, I believe. Yeah. Euro pick up the pace till on the 20th till on the 27th of March, which is not bad. But USD brought the market down on the 30th of March. USD brought the market down. It brought it down till April 6th. You understand? Brought it down to April 6th. It brought it up. Euro brought it up, but it wasn't much. It didn't go more than 50 or 60 pips, I think. It came down. No. This is not 50 pips. It's like 20 pips. Let me calculate it. 0.797. That's like 28 pips. It was able to take 28 pips out of the market. Now the market went down again, and it's keep going up and down, bullish and bearish, bullish and bearish. But when it's on the 15th of May 2020, euro took charge of the market again, and it shoots up to on the 10th of June. But US dollar, is trying to fight the market. It try to bring down the market up to on the 30th of June. But euro was able to pick the market again on the 1st of July. Euro took the market to a very, very tremendous point, which is very, very good. It shows dominance. It shows the kind of stability that US dollar don't have. This year US dollar against every currency, I could say against all major currency pair, US dollar didn't really do good at all. US dollar didn't really do good at all this year. If you look at the market, you'll see what I'm saying. If you do your price action technical analysis very well, if you do your price action calculation very well, you will know and you will see that US dollar has not really performed well this year. It's somehow fucked up. I'm sorry for using that language. I'm sorry, please, people. Mind my manners, please. Speaking of manners, where am I? So, US dollar was able to dominate the market, show the people who the boss is. Wasn't able to dominate the market. No. So right now we're showing who the boss is euro. Right now it's euro. The US dollar was just trying to US dollar is just trying to create some kind of show. US dollar was just trying to create a kind of show. I'm coming. Let me delete those. I'm sorry. So US dollar is trying to show, prove to people that it's still in charge of the market. But not really, people, not really, So euro took. Oh, I'm sorry, people. I'm sorry. I don't sleep at night. Maybe that's why I'm sorry. So right now what I'm seeing on the market, USD, Great Britain, euro is really doing fine. Euro is really doing fine. Euro is really taking charge of the market, taking control of the market, which is a good thing, which is a very good thing to see, which is a very, very good thing to calculate. So just let me know what you see in the market. Let me know what you believe is going to happen, because all my analysis from way back is been doing exactly as I forecasted. It's been doing exactly as I forecasted, which is a very good thing. So let's see what US dollar is trying to form here. Let's see what these two currency pair is trying to form here. Because what I could see that is forming here is it's that stability, it's like dominance, it's like, hey, I'm in charge of the market. You ain't got to say nada. You understand? That's exactly what the market is saying here. Ready? So please just check the market. Just check the market and tell me what you believe that you see in this market that makes you believe and makes you see that this market is definitely going to go to the direction, to the sell direction or buy direction, or what makes you believe that the market is going to change momentum, it's going to change direction, the market is going to go like this, it's going to go like that. Please just let me know, because nobody is an island of knowledge. Among all these candles, all the things that I'm seeing here might not mean shit to another person. Another person might be seeing something different. Another person might be seeing something far more better than what I'm saying, which I know it is. But please, I'm open to polite correction if you don't mind. But from me, I've been doing this for more than 20 years now. Yeah. This year make it the 21st years that I've been doing this. I was first thinking that it's almost 20 years. When I did the calculation very well, I see that it's 21 years, because I started this 1999. But I didn't start with a good start like that, but I just started learning. But the learning process was so poor because I learned in Africa, from one person to another, from one coach to another, from one master to another. But that's exactly what we came to talk about here. So what I'm saying here is that US dollar, US dollar is not at the peak of its strength as we speak. And what I see here, what I calculate here, is that the market is going, is going to the stability of euro in the capital market is really making sense. It's really speaking a very strong language, which is a very good thing. So people, please just just look at the market and just let me know what you think. Just let me know what you feel that is going to happen. Just let me know what you think that is going to happen. Let me know what you believe that it's going to happen. It's a good thing if we could share knowledge within each other. So people, please like, share, subscribe, click the notification button in all of my social media pages. I really appreciate it. Please, don't be greedy. Don't be greedy, please. When you trade, don't be greedy. Trade safe, trade wise. Don't be greedy. See you in my next video. God bless us all. Amen.